Okay, folks, we are at Felcheck River Ranch. My buddy Charles Felcheck and his son Hayden, and yours truly. We are going to blow a commode up today. There is a commode at the bottom of that tree centered on the phone. And Charles is using an AR-15, 223 round.
We're shooting Tannerite.
We have a can of Tannerite sitting on top of that commode. So we are going to see what's going to happen with this Tannerite. Are you ready, Charles? Go ahead. That commode is history. Are you ready? That was pretty funny, wasn't it?
Go look at the commode.
Here we go. We're walking to the commode. It is history, son. Anybody want to take a crap? That is pretty funny. That Tannerite blew that commode to smithereens.
Where's the hat at?
There's that turd I lost.
Where? Where?